Hey guys! So this is the second video in my Halloween Spookstravaganza, and today I'm going to be taste testing fall snacks. Alright, so these are mostly Little Debbie and mostly pumpkin. So here we go. We're going to have pumpkin spice rolls, pumpkin delight rolls, or cookies, caramel apple oatmeal cream pies, which I think is the only thing that's not pumpkin, pumpkin spice snackaroos, because I had to throw something healthy in there, and sweet harvest pumpkin tea. Alright, so we're going to get started. I'm going to do the pumpkin spice rolls first, and look at how good this looks, you guys. That looks so good. Yep, definitely smell the cinnamon in this. This is like if you took like the Swiss rolls or the ho-hos. Okay, so is Hostess ho-hos and Little Debbie Swiss rolls, or is it the other way around? I never figured that out, but it's like if you took that and replaced the chocolate with pumpkin bread, basically. Alright, so next we're gonna do the pumpkin cookies. And you guys, I don't know what kind of a pumpkin this is, or what kind of a jack-o'-lantern this is, but this don't look like no pumpkin I ever seen. Let me open this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. Does that look like any pumpkin you ever freaking seen in your life? Maybe if he was a drunk pumpkin or a pumpkin that had an accident, but that don't look like no pumpkin I ever seen. This is just like a gingerbread cookie with pumpkin flavor added to it. Next is the caramel apple oatmeal cream pies. This is the one thing that isn't pumpkin flavored. And I like caramel and I like apple, so it smells like those. Do you remember those suckers back in the day that they were apple flavored suckers that were covered in caramel? This is what that smells like. So here goes nothing. Alright, so I'm going to open this up because one side seems like it's more caramel and one side seems like it's more apple. It's appearing my findings are correct. Here's the apple side, here's the caramel side. Next is the pumpkin spice Snackaroo. Okay, so these are just little, like macaroon type things. I don't know if you can see that. When you first bite in, it's like coconut, and you're like, yeah, okay. but the longer it sits in your mouth and the more you chew on it, it's just like a mouthful of like cinnamon, and not just any cinnamon, like Christmas cinnamon. So if you took like a mouthful of like a Christmas wreath and tried to eat it, okay, I gotta spit this out. There's too much Christmas. Alright guys, so lastly is this harvest pumpkin, or sweet harvest pumpkin tea. It's a black tea, so I'm assuming it's black tea that's supposed to be flavored like pumpkin spice. I put it in an orange cup to match my orange jack-o'-lantern, my orange pillow, and my orange witch hat. So here we go. It's good. It's really good. It's definitely cinnamony. It's like, how do I put this? It's more cinnamony than sugary. It's not as sweet as everything else, but I think that's what makes it so good. Because everything else was like super, super sweet. So yeah, if you're looking for a good hot tea to enjoy that's pumpkin flavored, definitely down with Celestial Seasonings up in here. Anyways, guys, that was my fall taste test. I'm going to chill here in my little corner and finish drinking my tea. Go ahead and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.